Welcome to Piston Pundit, your ultimate pit stop for all things automotive. Today we're shifting gears to discuss the much-anticipated Cybertruck. But brace yourselves because it's not quite the smooth ride we were hoping for. The Cybertruck, despite its hype, has proven to be a bit of a disappointment. But don't lose hope just yet, fellow auto aficionados, because there's a beacon of hope on the horizon, the formidable Toyota Tundra, a vehicle that outpaces the Cybertruck in every way possible. So fasten your seatbelts as we rev up the top 5 reasons why the Toyota Tundra leaves the Cybertruck in its dust. Reason number 5. The Tundra is the epitome of dependability. The Cybertruck, with its limited range and hefty price tag, raises more than a few eyebrows when it comes to its reliability. Given Tesla's track record with their initial releases, it's safe to say that the Cybertruck might be riddled with drivetrain issues, battery problems, and software glitches. But the Toyota Tundra, it's a different story altogether. Since its launch in 2021, the Tundra, with its robust 3.4-liter V6 engine, has been a paragon of reliability and performance. The Tundra shares its underpinnings with the Land Cruiser, which means it's been tried and tested to the max. And when it comes to electronics, Toyota's reputation is spotless. So, if you're looking for a dependable ride, the Tundra is your go-to. Reason number 4. Quality control is top-notch. The Cybertruck's quality control, or lack thereof, is quite shocking. Elon Musk's decision to use stainless steel, while innovative, has resulted in a production nightmare. The material is difficult to work with, leading to large and inconsistent panel gaps. And let's not forget the exorbitant cost of painting stainless steel, which is a scratch magnet. Tesla's solution? Protective films that cost a whopping $5,000. The Tundra, on the other hand, is a testament to Toyota's meticulous attention to detail. It boasts a well-thought-out design, high-quality paintwork, and a comfortable interior. So, Tesla, maybe it's time to take a leaf out of Toyota's book. And while you're at it, pay close attention to the next reason why the Tundra is the clear winner here. Reason number 3. The Tundra is a feast for the eyes. The Cybertruck's design has been a hot topic of debate, but let's be real, it's not winning any beauty contests. The Toyota Tundra, however, doesn't need to stir up controversy to turn heads. In our view, the Tundra isn't just a step up from the Cybertruck in terms of aesthetics. It's one of the most visually appealing trucks on the market today. In stark contrast to the Cybertruck's unconventional design, the Tundra exudes a commanding presence on the road, embodying the essence of what a true pickup truck should be. From the front, the Tundra sports a vertical front end, accentuated by a sizable grille. While we're not usually fans of oversized grilles, the one on the Tundra is tastefully done and enhances the vehicle's overall character. The rest of the Tundra is equally impressive. Its robust build and simple side profile give it a formidable look. The rear of the Tundra harmonizes with the rest of the vehicle. Sharp taillights and a creased tailgate give the truck a compact yet powerful look from the back. Overall, the Tundra feels like a genuine pickup truck, not a fashion statement for those who believe that electric vehicles are the panacea for the world's problems. In contrast, the Cybertruck's design doesn't offer any special advantages, especially when it comes to utility. This brings us to the next reason why the Tundra leaves the Cybertruck in the dust. Reason number 2. The Tundra is the epitome of practicality. Let's face it, if you're in the market for a workhorse, the Cybertruck might not be your best bet. Sure, it boasts impressive acceleration and torque figures, but what's the use if it falls short as a true work truck? Firstly, the bed size of the Cybertruck is somewhat disappointing. Measuring 6 by 4 feet, it's not exactly awe-inspiring. It's not terrible, but it pales in comparison to what the Tundra brings to the table. Moreover, the unconventional design of the Cybertruck's bed further diminishes its utility. The biggest drawback, however, lies in the Cybertruck's stainless steel body. While it may seem innovative, it's prone to scratches and dents, and when you inevitably dent the bodywork, you're in for a world of hurt. Due to the concentrated stress on a single point, bending it back into place is virtually impossible. On conventional vehicles, this wouldn't be an issue as you could always use a bodywork filler. But that's not an option with the Cybertruck due to its lack of paint to conceal the filler. And let's not forget the elephant in the room, the range. Back in 2019, we were promised a range of over 500 miles. However, the actual model falls short of these projections. The regular all-wheel drive can achieve around 340 miles on a single charge without the range extender battery. With the range extender, it can do up to 470 miles, which is still 30 miles less than the projected figure. Moreover, recharging the Cybertruck could take ages if there's a queue. Despite the advancements in technology, the appeal of electric vehicles over internal combustion-powered vehicles is still debatable. And the number one reason why the Toyota Tundra outshines the Cybertruck is... Reason number one, the Tundra is simply more attainable. If Tesla had managed to stick to their initial pricing promise, perhaps the Cybertruck wouldn't have garnered so much criticism. The base model was initially promised at an affordable $39,990. However, Tesla didn't just miss the mark, they doubled it for the 2024 model. The all-wheel drive model, currently the cheapest, costs a whopping $80,000, while the Cyberbeast slightly crosses the six-figure mark. The upcoming rear-wheel drive model is also expected to cost between $60,000 and $70,000, which is $20,000 to $30,000 more than the base model Tundra. The Tundra starts at around $40,000, and for that price, you get a 350 horsepower pickup truck that ticks all the boxes of a work truck. It offers a decent amount of kit, a comfortable ride, and an exterior and interior that doesn't look like it was designed by a child. Moreover, for the price of a base model Cybertruck, you can opt for a fully loaded plug-in hybrid version of the Tundra. This means you get a power increase, enormous range, and economy, all coupled with a luxurious ride and interior. The irony of it all is that not only will you be paying more and getting less when comparing the Cybertruck to the Tundra, but you'd get the same result if you were to compare the production model to the pre-production one. It's truly unbelievable to see Tesla fall so short, but then again, we were the ones who trusted Elon Musk and his grandiose promises. Fool us once, shame on us, right? That wraps up our comparison of the Toyota Tundra and the Tesla Cybertruck. If you enjoyed this episode and want to stay updated on the latest vehicle updates and upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit. Keep your engines revving and stay tuned for more. Drive safe.